Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to play a Free Fire first time in my video. Okay, so after a long time I'm posting this video because actually my laptop went to repairing, and then exams and then all. Okay, so sorry for that. Now we are going to play Free Fire ranked game. I am on Diamond 1 and Ayan, actually we have Ayan also, my friend. Hi Ayan.
Hi,
Hi Ayan. So how are you?
I'm good. Let's play FIFA full map game. Let's go.
And guys, Ayan is on Platinum 2 and I am on Diamond 1. So Ayan, I am getting ready and now you can start. So it's still matchmaking. Ayan, you can set it on duo or what? Is it squad?
Yes, let's play with squad.
Yeah.
Then we will play on the CS.
Yeah. Yeah, see. Yeah, we can try, but the video will be actually a bit long.
So we will post a video on every Sunday. Okay.
Not every Sunday. We can post it like Sunday, Wednesday, any like that. Okay. So now first today is Sunday and we are playing it.
Worry. Now it will be video come to very long.
Okay. So now let's start. Ayan, you there? So guys, we'll play with Ayan. He is my friend in real also. He's sitting beside me right now. Okay. So what?
What is your favorite gun in FIFA?
My favorite gun is P90. And your?
Mine is M10 in shotgun, and mine is MP14 SMG.
Okay.
And your is
Yeah.
Thompson also.
Yeah, but I love P90 more.
Okay, there is Bermuda, Mr. the man.
Yeah. So Ayan, where should we go? Or should we follow him only? He is going Samurai Garden.
Let's go with him only. We don't have to take the risk.
Yeah.
But really, peak zone is on the peak.
Blue zone. Yeah, this time blue zone is on the peak. So, oh wow.
People only land on peak very much. Now they will land peak on much only because this is blue zone
Yeah.
also.
Now let's go. We are right now at Pochino.
So let's go.
It's just like PUBG. PUBG, they say
If you want
Pochinki.
to see PUBG video, sorry, we cannot get PUBG video on it.
Guys, face reveal is coming soon. Okay, face reveal will come on 1.5k subscribers. Then please like, share, and comment and subscribe. Guys, today's like aim will be 100 likes or not 100, only 50 likes. Okay, that's easy. You can make it. We are at 1.4k subscribers.
I have UMP.
Oh, can you give me?
I will found one. I have 2 tokens. You want anything?
No, right now no. I have the worst FAMAS. Guys, if you like FAMAS, I'm sorry, but I don't like FAMAS actually. Oh wow, I got MP5, my favorite, second favorite I mean. Oh, I have like tokens many.
You have tokens, so give me one only. I want one.
Okay, let me just buy a vest and then you can get it. I have 4 tokens. Now I bought vest for 3 tokens and now you can get it. Come. Where are you?
Wait a minute. I got parafel. Here I am. Get me. We will
Oh.
get a full rush gameplay, so then audience cannot be bored.
I can give you 2 tokens. 2 tokens.
So you give.
There's a guy over here. I can't give it right now. Did he go?
No,
Yeah.
you give. Thank you.
I'm taking
you get
your.
UMP or SMG ammo if you want. UMP is better than MP5
I know, yeah. Okay, I have 2 glue walls.
because I have one only. If you want, I am taking your 118. If you want,
Is that P90? Yes, I got my P90. You.
if you get the SG ammo,
SG ammo is not here right now.
if you found, so tell me.
Okay.
Of who was the jump master. He was planning on the samurai, but he landed on the Pochinok. So
Yeah.
we are looting on the Pochinok only now.
Wow,
I got level
you-
3 back.
Wow, you got level 3 backpack. I needed that, but you can take it right now. I have level 1, and that's also going to be full. But I'm finding tokens.
Okay.
If you get 2 tokens, then please tell me.
I have 2 only. You can. Okay, you want backpack only, na?
Yeah.
You want. Yes. So take this token.
Where are you?
I am on the vending machine.
Yeah, I'm coming. Actually, my backpack is right now full. I can't pick up any ammo also. Oh, I can see a banda.
You knock it?
No, not still. You can also help me if you can. I knocked it. I knocked him.
Where is Banda?
He was up.
Okay, he was up. I'm coming also.
First time, I mean.
Oh, man.
Oh, you had M18,
I buy it from the second. No, take either. You want na?
Yeah.
You
But
want
I'm
my
coming.
tea?
Yeah, I have.
Oh,
No, I have
2
inhaler.
minutes. 2 minutes you can wait.
Yeah. Our banda is no. Oh, wait. Where is that guy?
Um,
Can you see him?
yes, I can see him.
I'm saving this guy because we need full map. I'm saving him.
I give him a 70.
Good.
17.
Is he still alive or not?
He is still alive. I was thinking he will get a...
Ayan, we should rush, I guess.
Oh shit, bro. You have made...
No, I don't. Okay, our one more is down. Just. No, be ready, Ayan.
You do from... If he jumped from this side, so he jumped.
Kill him. Did you?
No.
I'm also here to help you. I can't see him actually. Can you see him?
Yes, I can see him.
You go kill him till then
Let's I kill him with the sword.
Good, I'm saving this guy.
One map. Okay, he's going away.
I'm saving him. Guys, this video will be a bit long because this is our full map actually, and in CS we get like 10 minutes and in full map 15 to 20 minutes. So I can see one guy in map.
One more I kill.
Wow, I have 1 kill. How many do you have?
I have 2.
Wow,
Please get me one.
good. I revived him.
I got one SMG. Please. I got an ammo of SMG.
Good.
Oh, there is so
What?
many.
I just saved him and he got killed.
Please, let's go out of here. This
Yeah, I guess we need to.
drone is very much. I have 2 kills with one tap. I am very practicing of one tap and training with you. You know.
Wow.
You know now.
Yeah. So let's go. Where should we go?
Let's. I 2 minutes.
First, I need to buy my backpack. I have tokens. Where I can't see a vending machine. Where is it?
It is where I am. There is one machine.
You're there?
I cannot take. Okay, this is. I was thinking, what is this glitch? I cannot take SD ammo, but there is limit crossed.
Oh,
Okay, I can.
what happened?
I can give I can give a player revive. I have 5 tokens, but I don't give.
Why?
I
He got revived. Wait, he got revived again.
Okay. What a luck of this.
Yeah. Guys, actually, I don't have any emote right now, so I can't even show you. So, sorry. Ayan, if you find any shotgun, please tell me, okay?
I can get you M10. You want?
Can you?
Yes, I have 1 token.
Wow. Then, for how many tokens does it? Wait, even I have 1 token, then I can buy it.
You have, so you can get 2, but there is not a shotgun in 2. There is only in 1. You can get me an ammo, please. I have. But
I only have 1. I only have 1 token, so I can buy M10.
I can give you token, then you can buy and pack it off and then give me.
Yeah, okay. But let me buy M10 first.
Okay, you buy.
No, okay, even I am less of ammo, but you can take it right now.
Okay, there is player. Let's in.
Okay, I'm not going. I am
thinking.
Wait, why did I drop my P90?
I'm thinking let's move.
You can nade, but that's a bit hard. If you find a shotgun more, like shotgun ammo more, then please tell me, okay?
Let's put an landmine. Okay. Oh,
Okay, some
there is full
car
squad.
is coming.
Wait, this is full squad.
Full squad is coming. I'm rushing to Mars Electric right now. Okay, I got a few medikits. Whoa, no! I got West level 3. If you want it, I'm marking it.
अरे यहाँ पे बंदा है मेरे साथ में.
Okay, now chill. If you guys get knocked, then I can save you because there's a revival point near me. Literally.
There is two enemies rushing on me. I've knocked one, yaar.
I'm coming. I can't save you, but I can save you from the revival point.
So save us. I have 3 kills.
Wow, 10 people are watching me.
They are actually watching me, but
Yeah.
they translate to you because I am killed. 10 split kills. They are actually spectating us.
Yeah, I know. Cause I only killed one guy, and then only one guy is from me. But then people, you guys got killed, right?
Can you
So you. So there's a gun right now over here.
Scarl.
Is that Scar? I don't know.
If there is a one, please, there was
There's M14. Do you guys want it?
I want an M10.
M10, I don't have it.
But I don't want you will give or not. But I am landing on Pochino only.
Don't go there. Revival point is going to close. I can't even save you guys.
No,
I don't have token
am going
also.
to take my loot now only.
You'll be dead if you go there.
There is no any banda there.
Guys, I'm right now using Claw. Guys, I will show you once my characters also, okay? So right now, let's play right now.
We will do versus also.
Yeah, we will do collection versus also. We'll do many things, guys. Please like, guys. And guys, you guys are not subscribing. Please subscribe. Guys, if you subscribe, then you can see my face reveal. And plus, if you subscribe, then something special will happen. I'm not going
I
to.
get my loot only.
Good.
That is good.
Guys, subscribe and please turn on the notification, okay? If you want to see more videos like this. Please, guys, please. Okay, so let's go. I'll pick up some
If
SMG.
you have my repair kit, please tell me.
Repair kit?
Yes.
I don't have right now.
No, if you get and so let me.
Yeah.
That is a medikit, but I want. But I don't
Okay, you can take it.
because I have 0 medikits right now.
Right now, I have 2 medikits.
Someone has gotten dropped
I did.
back. Zone is.
I have inhaler. I have Ford. Yeah, I do have Ford. No, wait, I don't. Why don't I have my Ford?
Bro, run in the zone. It is not.
Chill. Okay, this was the worst. Oh my god. Any guy is killing me. I'm dead.
You are on half HP. First number died.
I'm dead. I'm running right now.
Okay,
Okay, I'm dead.
now you can
You
back
you
to
run,
me.
you run, you run,
I am running.
you run. Yeah.
Third number is so close to me and means enemy is also so close to me.
Yeah. Guys, please, we need a plus on this man. We need a
I
plus.
am thinking let's
Okay, there's a guy over there.
okay, I can
You can kill him if you want. Wow, wait. Don't die. Just don't die.
I am oh
It lagged for me. I don't know for you. Wow! You did 66 head. Wow. Just give medikit. You need medikit right now. Okay, now let me check here. This guy. Okay, this guy is also dead now. Now you are left.
I am trying my full.
Yeah, good,
You
good,
can
good.
see now?
Yeah. I'm spectating you only. Like 14 people are watching you. Wow.
That's one tap. Give like for that one tap.
Guys, I'll share my UID in. Okay, you can kill him, but you didn't. Why?
Where is it? Enemy?
He was behind you.
I don't
He didn't also watch you. You didn't also watch him. Don't you have any inhaler or medikit?
I have 5 medicals.
Then use it. Your health is still low.
Okay, there are 160.
There's a bun.
Okay,
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I guess we will get a plus in this game. If we not, then I'll be dead. Okay, let me check.
Scoring intense.
I got 2 plus. How much did you get? Wow, you got 21 plus. How come?
I got 4 kills now.
Yeah, I got 1 kill. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. And make sure to subscribe guys and turn on the notification. And guys, this is my UID. Okay, oh wait, yeah. Guys, this is my UID. You can check it over here. And you can follow me, like me, send friend request. If you want to send a friend request, then you need to be on my Discord, and the Discord link is in the description below. Okay, so guys, make sure to like, and that's all for today's video. Bye.